Hey everyone, today I'm going to be sharing a fun way to make first time guests feel welcome with this clever scrapbooking welcome book. So I found this welcome book on Etsy, and you're able to customize it by putting your name on it, in addition to the location of your home. But the rest of the pages are blank. So as you can kind of see here, I decided to do a scrapbook style, where we have all our first time visitors sign the book, write nice little messages, whether they're coming over for the weekend, coming over for a house party or a gathering, or something that we're entertaining. We always get them to sign the book. You can also see there too that even for housewarming, folks have sent us like cards, and I found ways to incorporate that into the book by taking either the covers or the pictures within the cards or even the written messages, just to kind of give it a lot of variety, and also using scrapbooking paper as well, to give different backings. Another nice thing that we really love about this scrapbook, or this welcome scrapbook, is using the Polaroids, the mini-Polaroids, where folks, if they're open to it, will take a picture and then we'll print it off, and it prints instantly, and then we paste it on the page along with whatever little materials that we have for the scrapbook. And now I'll kind of walk you through this most recent visit that we had, where my grandmother came to visit us for the first time, and we were able to get some Polaroids of her, and she was able to sign it. I'll be sharing more scrapbook layout ideas and memory keeping crafts, so be sure to subscribe and join the fun.